let's start by setting up our workspace. I already have an image open here and we're going to use that in the next video. But this is what it looks like when you first open up Photoshop. And I don't really like the configuration because look how small our working space is. Even if I make the image bigger, it is still pretty darn small. We've got all of this right-hand side space that we're not using. So these are called panels, and I'm going to get rid of a couple of them. I'm going to get rid of the Learn panel. I'm just clicking on that tab that says Learn and dragging it over here off of the panel. And there's a little X right here. I can just click on that to get rid of it. Another way to get rid of what you don't want is to go up to Window, and I'm looking over there, it says Libraries. I'm going to come down here to where it says Libraries, and I'm just going to click there, and it goes away also. So now notice I have more workspace for my image. I really don't use color, swatches, gradients, and patterns, but you guys might, so you could leave them there. I can always come back here and bring it back. And I'm going up to the menu, I'm going to Window, and then these are all of the available panels you could have. So when I go color again, there it is right back. But let's go get rid of that. Dun dun dun. Color. Bye bye. Okay, so this is a normal configuration for me when I work. I can save this. I can go up to where it says Window, I can go to Workspace, and I can go down here to New Workspace, and I'm going to call it New HP. And I just can click on all of these in case I have any other adjustments I've made. We'll hit Save. So now I can come back to Window. I can go to any of these other workspace areas, photography, let's say, and you can see it changes again. I can come back up here, Workspace, HP, Workspace, New HP. That's the one I just made. But my favorite workspace is to take this and move it all the way over to here. And notice when I move it over, when it turns blue when you're touching and I let go, now I've docked that whole set of panels to my toolbar. I like this configuration best because everything's right here. I don't have to keep scrolling back and forth across my screen. Ultimately, it's up to you, whatever you're comfortable working with. Set it up how you want. Just know that when you're watching my videos, it's either going to be set up in this configuration or the last one that we just saw. But you can always grab a panel if you can't see it by just coming up to the menu, going to Window, and clicking on it, and it'll pop back in, and you can place it where you'd like then. One of the ones I know we're going to use is the Info panel. So if I just click on that, here it is. And it's just a little flyout when I click on it. Okay, well that's just a start. Play around, see how you like things set up. You might like it set up like mine. That way it'll be easier to follow the videos.